This is the quick unboxing and review of the branded foldable mosquito net from Piramal. In this video, I'll show you how to unfold it instantly and fold it within 30 seconds and explain the premium features of this Piramal's Tri-Activ mosquito bed net. If you are planning to buy a foldable mosquito net, then this is the right video for you. Stay tuned and watch the video till the end. This is the front side of the premium packaging of the mosquito bed net, written clearly Piramal's Tri-Activ mosquito bed net. Backside of the packaging retains several salient features of this mosquito bed net. Superior quality fabric net, high strength steel frame, durable double-sided zipper and also washable. Pocket to hold accessories, underbed wrap, pop-up design and 5-thread overlock stitching. Now let's open the zipper of the rounded pouch to get the product. Now you can see sky color bed net through transparent plastic wrap. Get it from there. You will also get one instruction manual inside it. Read it carefully. And here also it is written how to fold it. I have also shown in this video how to fold the mosquito net. Now let's open the elastic wrap to expand the mosquito bed net to its original size automatically. It expands instantly due to its pop-up design. You can see here. After reaching this stage, just separate the two layers in this way and pull the middle portion. In this stage, pull the middle portions from there in this way towards you and it automatically comes to the original popped up position. You can see here. Now your mosquito bed net is ready to sleep. You can see here. This is the final expanded position of the mosquito bed net. And it really fits with the king size bed. This is a king size bed. You can see here. This is the Piramal's Tri-Activ branding written on the one of the side of the mosquito bed net. And these two extents are given actually for holding the front cover of the mosquito door. You can see here there are actually two doors. I'll show you one by one. This is the zipper, double-sided zipper. Just open the zipper in this way and after opening the zipper, you can fold the door in this way and fix it up by the two extents. You can see here in this way. If you want to keep it open, then use it. Or after entering the mosquito net, you can close the door by the double-sided zipper and runner. This is very easy and smooth. Underbed wrap is provided to prevent mosquito entry at all the bottom sides of the net. 4 corners are also provided with the extra broad bed wrap with elastic thread to prevent mosquito entry. Necessary accessories like remote, spectacle or any other things you can keep inside these two pockets effortlessly. You can see here 2 pockets are provided to keep these things. This is the second door that can also be opened and closed both from inside and outside by the help of double-sided smooth zipper like the first door. You can see here. Now I'll show you how to fold this mosquito net. First of all, push any corner towards the opposite corner from outside and finally you get 2 folds of the net like this. Make these 2 folds into one according to the video. It is very easy. Follow the video. It will be done within 30 seconds. Hold the net by your 2 hands and press net by your hand towards each other. Then this stage will appear. Watch, there are 2 circles, one small and one big circles are there. So keep the 2 circles in by your left hand and press down by the bigger circle so that the bigger circle will be folded into 2 smaller circles of same size with the previous and you will get total 3 circles together. And now wrap this circle by the elastic band provided with the product and keep this mosquito net in the given premium pouch for storing or keeping the product for a longer time effortlessly and effectively. Thank you.